Do you want to know how to create AI art? Okay, this video is right for you. In this video, I will let you know how to create this or this or this using AI tool in less than 1 minute. Stay tuned. Okay, I will be using a tool called MidJourney. Let me open MidJourney site. The link is midjourney.com. So just click there. So this is the site, this tool we will be using to generate the AI art. I have already signed up for this tool or for this site. You can first thing you can do is you can sign up using this join the beta link, right? When you click on this link, you will get a sign up window, and there you can sign up, provide your email address, mobile number, and then you can sign up. And after sign up, you will be able to access the homepage of MidJourney. Let me join. Let me sign in MidJourney. Okay, one thing to mention that MidJourney uses Discord server for its activity. Discord server, you need to it will be MidJourney will redirect you to Discord. Accept the invite, and you will get the home page for MidJourney inside Discord. So this is the home page for MidJourney for my account. Here you can see there are many rooms, newcomers rooms. You can click any of the newcomer rooms. For example, I am going to click in newbies 40. So in this room, there are many other people are also there who are creating AI art, right? Here I will be creating one AI art, and I'll show you how to create it. So you can see there is a little text box at the end, the bottom. There you have to type in /imagine, and then you have to give you a prompt. It's asking for a prompt. Prompt is basically your idea which you want to. Using that idea, AI will create the image. You have to tell AI what kind of image you want, what kind of photography AI art you want. Is it a comic AI art? Is it any photography, any fashion photography or space photography? Whatever the idea that you have in your mind, you have to tell AI, and then AI will create the actual work, actual photography. So I'll give one prompt, a simple prompt like a boy crossing the river. Let's see, it's just my prompt, a boy crossing the river. And then I will provide the version /v.4. So I am asking MidJourney to use version 4 to generate this art. Let me hit. Okay, it is sending my command, and it is in progress right now for my prompt. It's looking so good. Okay, I will probably choose, let's say, this one. So MidJourney has given me 4 options. I can choose any one of these 4, and then it will. So there are U1, U2, U3, and U4. So let's say I will choose this U3, and it will provide me the enlarged picture of U3. Let me click on U3. So it is now generating the U3 version of that picture. It takes some time, and then I will get that picture. All right, this is the picture that was generated by AI. It's looking so great. I love it. I just love it. So within a second or so, my idea is in reality. Amazing. Let me save this picture. Great. So yeah, so it's very quick. You can also try and create more pictures, AI art of your ideas which you have in your mind. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel.